Hello and welcome back to Life, Beauty and Soul. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you who are still with me, welcome back. Today we are gonna have our, look, they did that. It's the BoxyCharm unboxing. And this is the April BoxyCharm box. And let's get to it. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. And it is all about the Coachella and the music festivals that are going around in the springtime. And there is a lot of really great goodies in this bag. I have been peeking on my Instagram and I'm so excited that I got it. This week I have not tried anything, so we're just gonna unbox and then later on we'll just come back and see what I liked and what I didn't like. First thing we got out of the box is the Artist Couture, and this is a glow powder. Ooh, like a shimmer, what is a highlighter. It says the name is Purple Dream, but it's not purple. I thought it was gonna be purple, but it's not. And it is the name, Purple Dream. So this is a peachy. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, y'all, I just lost the cap, but look, it comes, you see that? You can twist this up and put it right there. There you go. And I guess maybe it's sealed. Okay, anyways, we'll figure this out. It does look purple on the tape there, but you can't see it. So I don't know. Maybe it's a shade shifter. I'll figure this out and maybe at the end of the video come back and swatch this one. So that is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Purple Dream. And that retails for $27 for 4.5 grams or 0.16 ounces. We'll see if it's worth 24 bucks. Okay, next thing is, it's a lip gloss. It's a holographic lip gloss by Appeal. This one feels, way better than that last one, that last box. That other one was really glittery, like you could see the glitter, and almost dry, like you could feel the glitter. With this one, doesn't have a scent, doesn't have a taste, and that's pretty. Ooh, make your lips look juicy. All right. Well, I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna put this in my purse. So when I wear my matte lipsticks that I want to give some gloss over it, because I'm not seeing the glitters right now. All I see is shine. Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and this retails for $21. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. Next thing we have is a Bodyography, and it's Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. Ooh, and it is this color. So it's a bronze color. It doesn't feel too creamy, so we'll have to see on this one. But there's the color. It's all right. I don't know, y'all. That feels really dry. Bali Bronze. We'll have to see on this one. Let's see how much this retails. Bodyography Eye Pencil, $14 for this. First impression, I don't think it's worth it, but we'll try it. I'm just wondering how easy it's gonna be to apply on the eye since it's an eye pencil, but it's not budging. Super smooth. Coconut oil infused eye pencil glides on without dragging. Don't know about that. Add the delicate skin around the eye. Well, it dragged the skin of my hand, so I don't know about that. We'll see. We'll try it. We'll come back to it. Right now, I'm not impressed. All right, so two more things. And these are the two things I was really excited to get. And it is a set of brushes from Luxie, and they come all in this bag, and they are within the theme of the festival. Let me open it. They look pretty. So these are, what kind of brushes are these? I've never had anything from Luxie, so this is my very first time trying this brush line. The blushes include the large shader, eyeshadow shader, I would say. Ooh, that feels really good. That is really pretty. I like that color combination. Really pretty, and it has good weight to it. It feels really good on the hands. Pretty sturdy. And then it has the small shader, which is probably will work really good to put eyeshadow right on the corners and probably smudge some shadow on the lower lash. And then this one here is a small contouring brush and it's really soft. So that is supposed to go right here. Ooh, see, when you want to contour really sharp, right here. But probably you can use it for other areas of the face. Really happy to have gotten these set and ready to try it on. The brushes is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and these retail for $28 the set. Yeah, I would say worth the $28 so far. These are without trying it, folks. So at the end of the quarter, we will do our quarterly review of what I like and kept using from my BoxyCharm boxes from April through June. And so hopefully we'll see those brushes back. And last but not least is the Festival palette from Pure. I'm trying to open it. It's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette. I just dropped something. Hold on. It's a sample of their Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer. All right, they gave us a little sample. Probably because I know it has some glitters in here. So let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. Summer Sunset look color, which is kind of what's inside. Those are pretty. We have 2 glitters that, well, I don't know that Mama is gonna be using those because, I mean, not for work for sure. Maybe Halloween. Glitter. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be using that. But the rest are pretty. Let's see, this one is a matte. Epic is a matte. All Night is a matte. See, Epic All Night and Hidden Desert is a matte. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to flip y'all off. And then Wild Child is a matte. Oh, let's swatch this one. Pretty pink. Ooh, look at that. Man, this is some pigment. Y'all, these are being careful with these. Look at that. That is pretty. Very pigmented. And they do have a scent. They smell sweet. Nothing overpowering. They just have this sweet smell. And look at this purple. Oh, purple is a shimmer. It is really pigmented. So it's these you have to be careful when getting in there. Sunset. Ooh, swatch Sunset. I am so bad at swatches. I'm gonna swatch it here. You know, on my hairy arm. Look at that one. That is pretty. And that one has shimmer too. It's a smaller shimmer. So yeah, and then these are all pretty. Let me see, Free Spirit. Oh, now this one is one that I'll probably be using a lot. The other 2, let me see, the only 3, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, and Peace. I've had some of these colors in other palette. I really love the purple and the pink. Oh, and he has a really nice mirror. Nice size mirror. You can use it, take these for travel. It does have the mattes and the shimmers. The only thing it does not have is a matte under eyebrow highlight shade. I mean, that's the closest that it has, but it's shimmery. So I wish it would have that color. Would have been a satin or a matte, and you could take this to travel with. Gosh, I could use this for blush, shadows, and maybe, let me see this color. Yeah, kind of lightly for bronzer, but it doesn't have that matte light color. Pure the Complexion Authority Festival palette, and it is valued at $36. We'll see. I like the colors, so we'll see if this puppy's worth 36 bucks. This is all we got for the BoxyCharm. I'm going to calculate how much this box is worth, and I will put it right down here because honestly I don't have an idea. It's more than $100, that's for sure. And remember, if you do it every quarter, it's $19.66. So these boxes, I have yet to be disappointed in one of these, and this is my 4th box. I think I joined on the right year to join BoxyCharm. Because I know in the past I've seen some of the girls kind of not being too happy about the boxes, but 2019 BoxyCharm is where it's at, people. It's where it's at. So if you are looking to try new brands and try new things, you know, a lot of these brands I probably wouldn't have picked up at Ulta. Again, I don't know if they even have them at Ulta, but I don't think I would pick them. Just walking by and looking at this, for example, I don't think I would have picked it up. But it came in the box, so we're gonna try it. And hopefully we're gonna like it. And yes, I do need to figure this out. So we're gonna figure this out.
I want to edit this. Because how the heck do you take this off? All right. Good grief.
Okay, so I was able to take the little plastic. Let's see, let's close it. So you close it for travel. Some of it came out. It's not purple, y'all, but it has, it's like a peachy pink highlighter. Of course, this is not the brush for it, but let's see. Well, it does have a purple shift to it. So, I don't know about this for work. Festival theme. So if you're going to go out, yeah, it's coming more purple. It's pretty, probably with a less concentrated or a brush that won't concentrate it that much, but since we're playing, we're gonna pile it on. Wow, look at that. All right, well, how much did I say this cost? $27. I don't know that I would buy it again for $27 because of the color that it shifts. It does goes into a purple and there is no taking it back. It's pretty. It's really pretty. If this is your thing, it's really pretty. $27, that's fine. That's not my thing. We'll work with it. We'll play with it. Because there are ways that you can tone it down when applying your makeup. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I am really enjoying these BoxyCharm boxes. I do have a code that I will put in the description below. If you would like to sign up and use my code, I will not get directly money sent to me, but they will give me some charms that I can use to purchase things in their store. So if you want to give me those points, that's great. If not, I am going to link the regular BoxyCharm link down in the description below, and you can use either one. Again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are part of my channel, thank you for coming back. I upload every Monday, God willingly and life permitting. And until then, I'm sending you love and blessings. Mwah.